Hello, hello. I'm here to try this Hidden Valley Ranch restaurant-inspired secret sauce original. Cool and tangy, it says. Here's the packaging right there. Yeah, we got this to use on burgers, on fries, and other various style things, hot dogs. Maybe even as a dip. Here is what the sauce looks like. You can see it's very similar to the color of like a Thousand Island situation. Alright. The smell, you can really smell like a vinegary smell right off the bat. Like that's all I'm smelling is vinegar. Yeah, it's really strong with vinegar. And I almost feel like there's dill in it too, like a lot of dill. Yeah, mostly what I'm getting is vinegar with like some dill flavor mixed in. Not a fan. Definitely would want to tone this down in some way, shape, or form. Because, yeah, this isn't for me. I will see if I can find a link for this. If you've ever tried this, let me know what you thought of it. But for me, it just is too strong with the vinegar. Like, yeah, that's all I taste at the start. Throw out, and then it ends in kind of almost like a dill pickle situation. So, not for me. It says this is 120 calories per serving, so I don't know how that would factor into someone using it or not, if it would, but there's the information. Yeah, not for me. And I don't think I could recommend it to others, so I won't be buying this again. I would give this a 1 out of 5 stars, but I would be curious to know what other people's thoughts are. If you haven't tried this before, are you a sauce person? Do you usually use sauces? And if you do you have a favorite sauce? Let me know what that sauce is down below, and I'll see you in the next video.